Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Lucknow, offering innovative and efficient building information modeling (BIM) services. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, the company aims to provide comprehensive BIM solutions to clients in Lucknow and beyond. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of BIM in the construction industry and strives to deliver accurate and reliable 3D models that help clients visualize their projects before they are built. As a BIM company in Lucknow, Scon Design India Private Ltd has extensive experience in various sectors, including residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure projects. The company utilizes advanced software tools and methodologies to create detailed 3D models that encompass all aspects of a project, from architecture and structure to MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems. By integrating all relevant information into a single platform, Scon Design India Private Ltd ensures better coordination among different stakeholders and minimizes errors and conflicts during the construction phase. One of the key services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd as a BIM company in Lucknow is clash detection. Through the use of advanced clash detection software, the company identifies potential clashes between different building elements such as walls, columns, and MEP systems. This proactive approach helps in resolving conflicts at the design stage itself, saving time and cost during construction. Scon Design India Private Ltd also provides accurate quantity takeoffs and cost estimation based on the BIM models, enabling clients to make informed decisions regarding their projects. In addition to clash detection and quantity takeoffs, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a range of other BIM services such as 4D scheduling, 5D cost estimation, and facility management. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Lucknow, offering cutting-edge services in the field of building information modeling, BIM. With a team of highly skilled professionals and advanced technology, the company has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. The company's commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction sets it apart from its competitors. As a BIM company in Lucknow, Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in providing comprehensive BIM solutions to clients across various sectors, including architecture, engineering, and construction. The company's expertise lies in creating detailed 3D models that accurately capture the physical and functional characteristics of a building or infrastructure project. These models serve as a virtual representation of the project, enabling stakeholders to visualize and analyze different aspects before actual construction begins. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of collaboration and coordination in the construction industry. With BIM, the company facilitates seamless communication between architects, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders involved in the project.